In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create clean Boolean cuts in Blender. Before we start cutting, make sure the meshes you're using are clean. That means no long, stretched faces, no overlapping geometry, and no random triangles where they don't belong. Booleans rely on clear topology, so a tidy mesh helps prevent artifacts like stray edges, shading glitches, or holes after the cut. If something looks off, consider simplifying the shape or evenly distributing geometry before proceeding. Next, apply scale to both your main object and your cutter. Select each object, press Ctrl+A, and choose Apply Scale. This makes sure Blender's math matches the visible size of your objects. If you skip this, you might get odd results like distorted cuts, unexpected bevel behavior later, or modifiers that don't line up precisely. Applying scale essentially tells Blender, this is the true size, calculate from here. Now position your cutter so it fully passes through the main mesh. The Boolean operation works best when the cutter goes all the way in and out, not just partially intersecting a surface. Think of it like a real saw. You want a complete pass for a clean, predictable result. If the cutter barely clips the surface, you're more likely to see slivers, non-manifold edges, or tiny fragments left behind. With the cutter in place, select your main object and add a Boolean modifier. Set the operation to difference since we're removing material where the cutter overlaps. This tells Blender to subtract the volume of the cutter from the main mesh. Keep an eye on the viewport to confirm that the preview looks correct. In the Boolean modifier, choose the cutter object as the target. This is the object you're using to carve out the shape. Make sure you pick the right one, especially if you have multiple cutters in your scene, so the subtraction happens exactly where you intend. Change the solver to exact. While the fast solver can be quicker, exact consistently gives cleaner, more reliable results on complex shapes and tight intersections. It's the safer choice for minimizing shading errors and tiny leftover geometry. Once you're happy with the preview, apply the modifier on the main object. After that, delete or hide the cutter. If you want a non-destructive workflow, hide it so you can reuse or adjust it later. If you're done with it, delete it to keep your scene tidy. And that's it. Clean, precise Boolean cuts ready for the next stage of your modeling.